Easter pail? Sadie, says Madison. Says Maddie, you get out from under there. You get out from under that pail, says Madison. Says, get out from under there. Don't you put that pail on your head. Don't you put that pail on your head. That's your Easter pail. It's from Easter. Your Aunt Nana's in it. Sadie, get out of there. Sadie, get out of there. Seth, get out of there. You get out of that pail. Oh, get out of that pail.